Have you ever looked in the mirror and realized you have forgotten the person staring back at you? Somewhere between survival and success, we lost our soul. But what if 2025 was never meant to break us? It was meant to wake us. The greatest crisis of our time isn't climate change, politics, or poverty. It's spiritual amnesia, forgetting who we truly are. We are souls pretending to be busy humans. Until we remember that truth, we will keep searching for peace in the wrong places. We scroll for meaning, buy it, chase it, brand it, yet meaning waits in stillness, where your breath meets your being. The child in you still knows the language of wonder. When you are quiet enough to hear it, the soul whispers, "Come home. Come home to the light beneath the noise." This is the Great Awakening, a remembering of what can't be broken. Beneath fear and division, there is light, divine and unbreakable. It is waiting to be remembered in you, in me, in us together. There is a door opening now. Can you feel it? One flame can guide 1,000 home, and one awakened heart can awaken the world. Humanity lost in distraction, division, and ego. Success replaced purpose. Noise replaced stillness. We learned to perform, but forgot how to feel. We learned to produce, but forgot why we breathe. The soul keeps whispering, "Come home." It never stopped calling your name. We put on masks to be accepted and forgot the face of our own soul. We traded authenticity for approval. But the truth always finds a way through the fog. Your worth was never in the mask. Your freedom begins where your pretending ends. The first step home is honesty. Put your feet to the earth. Let it remind you who you are. Wash away the hurry. Rinse off the noise. Write your name back into your life. Remember the medicine of simple moments. Peace is not far away. It is underneath. Come home. Every breakdown is an invitation to awaken. Pain is the language God uses to realign us with our purpose. Not to punish you, but to point you home. Your fractures can become the lines where light enters. Strength is remembering during the storm who you truly are. When everything fell apart, you were being prepared. There is a pause between the breaking and the becoming. In that quiet, your life speaks. Surrender is not giving up, it is giving over. Let your roots drink from something deeper. The night was long, but not forever. You are held, you are guided. The breaking opens us to each other. Our shared pain becomes shared compassion. Recovery begins with one brave reach. Healing is a team sport. Forgiveness is the doorway we all must walk through. You were never being punished. You were being prepared. You are not your failures, labels, or fears. You are light. You are love. You are creation itself. You are the sky, not the weather passing through. Even what hurt you can carry your healing. When one person remembers, the world shifts. Presence is medicine. Love is an action. Peace is contagious. Joy grows where we grow together. Small acts echo loudly. You are not your fear. You are not your job. You are not your metrics. You are the awareness that witnesses all of it. Remember who you are, and the world remembers too. This is how the dawn begins. The new world won't be built by governments. It will be built by awakened hearts. It begins when you choose compassion over judgment, faith over fear, love over indifference. The world brightens where you stand. Begin the day with presence. Guard your attention like a sacred garden. Feed your mind with truth and your heart with thanks. Let love be visible and verifiable. A smile travels farther than you think. Teach peace by practicing peace. Align your choices with your love. Unity does not erase difference. It harmonizes it. One light becomes many. The world doesn't need more heroes. It needs more hearts awake. Be that heart. Share this light, because together we are the great awakening. Remember this. Sometimes life breaks us so we can awaken the world. Let your life be the sermon love preaches. Choose compassion over judgment. Choose faith over fear. Choose love over indifference. Your light matters. May you remember what you are made of. May you stand in your light gently and bravely. May your remembering become our awakening. We are already home. We are simply remembering. Like this video and comment how you'll awaken love today. Then share this message so others may remember too. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries for more motivational, inspirational, and transformational videos. And lastly, be the heart that awakens the world.